And be back, yeah. Oh, yeah. I am tired of giving trust. I am trying to be better and not go back to my old ways. I remember when I gave everybody my trust and love. I remember people taking advantage of me. I remember all the shit you said, and let me tell you about bitch in my way. So you can tell me to go fuck myself. Cause let me tell you, I don't give a fuck. Cause I'm done carrying no showing all my emotions up. I'll get a fucking tattoo and say fuck the whole goddamn world if that's what I gotta do. Yeah, I'm done giving everybody my trust. I'm done giving everybody my love. I'm done crying all these tears for everybody, like if they're gonna miss me or not. Well, if you only miss me cause I make this music shit, did you really give a fuck about me when you left me behind? Did you really give a fuck about me when we were talking all that stuff? Were you really a true friend? Or were you just a bitch who wanna hurt me, really wanna damage me in the own way? Let me tell you, I don't deal with shit no more, yeah. I'm done. I'm growing the fuck up, gonna be better and stronger without you. Even though my heart's still hurting deep down inside, I wish I didn't have this temper. I wish I didn't have emotions. I wish I didn't have all of this, but I'm suffering deep and down inside my heart. Just let me yeah, I opened up to you. I'm kinda scared now, so I'm pushing everybody away. Cause let me tell you, I don't wanna open up to anybody anymore.